If more people help charities, there will be less poverty in the world. There will be less poverty in the world if more people help charities.
If we don't work together, we won't be able to improve poor people's lives. Unless we work together, we won't be able to improve poor people's lives. If all people recycled their rubbish, there would be less pollution in the environment.
If I were you, I'd report the problem to our teacher. If I was you, I'd report the problem to our teacher.
If I hadn't watched a program about animal shelters, I wouldn't have volunteered to help here.
I wish it wasn't so cold. If only it weren't so cold.
I wish there was less air pollution in my city. If only there was less air pollution in my city.
I wish I hadn't lost my job. If only I hadn't lost my job.